Good morning. Tomorrow we're going shopping. We haven't been shopping for a while. We've been fiesta to fiesta. We got some work to do in the house, but we're going to do that tomorrow. I got something in mind to build that the boss asked me to do, urgent. So in town we will buy whatever's required. So let's go shopping. The boss has told me that the next job is to build a wardrobe. It's very messy in Bella's room, so we need to do something. I got the timber, and we're gonna go and buy whatever hardware required and build the wardrobe. So priority change all the time, but it's convenient. Sometimes there are things you can do and other things you can't. So we'll go to have some feed first, and then we go to City Hardware. I'm going to do some shopping too, because with all those fiesta we've been attending, there no chance to do any grocery shop. Okay, let's go. Okay, you probably guessed it. We're here at Jollibee. Look at this big fan they put in. It's very good. It's really cooler here than before. I like something like this at home, but maybe too big for us, this one. Maybe half the size would be nice. She's getting tired. Our baby's gone. We're at City Hideaway now. Bella loves here. She got a lot of friends. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh my God, she likes climbing everywhere. Yeah, you're going to reverse, baby? That's a good idea. Woo! You want to climb again? She loves climbing. Guys, what do you want me to tell you? No, careful. Oh my God. Yeah, Jem wants me to make a wardrobe with hardwood. And I agree with her, because those ones, they're paper veneer. And inside is probably cheap MDF or particle board. I know I've been in the industry. And the one we got now, which come from the apartment, they all bent and deformed, and I'm sure they're gonna get book one day. And I don't want that. Actually, I have a big wardrobe out in the bedroom. It's all bent everywhere. It's so funny. But if we do hardwood, pity they haven't got anything in plastic. We got those thing in plastic. I got one, but you can't put much in there. But that's probably the way to go. Unless we buy two like that. 3,249. Humidity. Ants won't get into that. I don't know. I could make one, just a rough one. But this one, it's plastic. Yep. That's not bad, but can we hang anything? No. I could do something. not much you can do in there. There's not much you can put in there. Okay, we come to drop Chica here with the parents, Jayan parents, to get a Filipino treatment. Yeah, everybody's been asking about Chica. Chica's got a very acute fungal skin disease, and we tried the vet. The vet, we spent a lot of money, and still she was okay for a while, and then again, and then we tried this trick that they say on the website, to use apple cider vinegar. We did that, but she was getting better, and then all of a sudden, she's bad, red, and So we brought it here because Jan's parents reckon that they can do something with used engine oil. So anyway, we'll see. We're gonna give the first treatment. And then after we're gonna get home, because it's a black cloud that they come in, and you see the road, it's really bad. So I hope Chica gets better. We suspect that maybe a plant where we live, which is not good for her. So worst case, we have to leave it here. We'll see how you go. First, let's cure her completely and see how we go. So now everybody knows, because I know a lot of you have been asking. I appreciate that, but that's the story. So let's give it the first treatment now, and then we go home. Not only used engine oil, but also rooster feather to use as a brush, I guess.
Igari. Chica. Ha? Oh, dito katong bago, murag wala ra niya kini dito.
Stay here. I don't want you to go and touch.
Mantog tara oil ra to, dili itom ko di man itom. Igari do, igari. Ito kasluyo do.
Doesn't gonna bite your dad.
Igari.
So guys, this is the Filipino way, and that's the only last option.
Igari ba? Dili ka speaker sa igad. Luyo dapit. Dili mo apil mo siya man to. Klaro ana.
All right, so that's it. That's what we're gonna have to do.
Punya matilapan gud pod.
Pushing. Good morning. Today we need to do a lot of cleanup. It's messy in the house, around the house. So let's do some cleanup. Yeah, this is so bad mess. I want to fix all that. Burn whatever I can. The timber can be firewood if people are interested. I will put all that in front of the house. But I don't want this like this anymore. getting too hot. Let's have a break. Okay, you can see those 2 bags up there is full of rubbish. I know I still got more to do. I picked up all the leftover from the metal studs. It was in a cardboard box and it's all just collapsed, so I used that old bucket. Still more, but we want to use this area. I want to use this area for the chicken pen and continue outside there, but I got a lot to clean up. Then I'm organize some holder here, some proper holder to put any good timber here underneath for now. So that's a big job. But today has been so hot. Now it looks like it's gonna rain. I also organized the fire up there. I remove all the broken glasses, plastic, things like that. So it's ready for tomorrow. Make a big fire probably. Yeah, big job. I think it's gonna rain now, which is good. Our tanks start to getting very low level. Yeah, I hope it rains. So anyway, tomorrow or so we keep going with all this mess. Yeah, I like to organize a clean area here to put the good timber. I'm of course checking for termite. I haven't found anything. You can see them. You can see it's you know, the nest is like a bee nest with little holes as well, and inside when you open up there's a queen there. It's like a big worm, white worm. Or anyway, so I found that the other day, but here there's nothing at the moment. But I'm gonna clean all this and probably just put the earth all underneath, equally spaced once I finish using all this timber, and probably store it here somewhere. Okay, I think enough for today. So tiring. Whew. It's too hot, and just take all your energy. This is the problem. So that's it for today. Nice to see that. We need it. Nice and cool under the porch. Cheers. My clothes were all wet, super wet. So I got my bath and I have a cool beer under this tropical storm. Very refreshing, very cool. Just what the doctor ordered. So being under the house is a big job. Slowly, maybe within 2-3 days I could do that. The best setup comparison sometimes, but I like to do a chicken pen around a chicken house or something under the porch after it's all clean. Put some sort of a mesh all around and get extra chicken and maybe another rooster. I don't know nothing about that. And to get more eggs, because this one makes quite a few eggs, but not enough. And the eggs are small. If I can take a big chicken, make a big egg. I like them big. I will have to buy. Another day. Yeah, just before it started raining again, I managed to clear all this area here, or more or less. There's only a few bits and pieces there, and I made some timber pieces for storing my good timber. So I couldn't do any fire because it's all wet. It's all up there just ready, but it's raining. It's been rainy all day. So anyway, next time, yeah, clean up all this. Hopefully it's dry. Tomorrow we can do some fire. And we were lucky. On the road we found this guy with a tricycle with those bamboo curtain. We can't find them here, and the guy is from Oriqueta. So that's another thing I'm gonna have to install sometime. But I want to clean everything around and under the house. It's messy. It's really bad. This tank is full again. Maybe I don't need a big one. And yes, I still got to do a lot of whippersnipper here, grass cutting. Here it's almost done, and here but it's growing so fast here. It's crazy, really crazy. Anyway, okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.